Welcome back to Shop Talk. Today is Tuesday, February the 3rd. We have a lot to talk about today. GC, Cooper Cutlery, RoseCraft Blades, Hellbender Blade Co, a new leather slip. So let's get into it. All right, two things before we start talking about some knives. So last evening on Monday, I was on Casey Spiron's KnivesFast YouTube channel, his live Monday night show. It's always fun to be on his live show. His community and his supporters, which are a lot of mine, is just awesome. You know, I love the questions that you all present to us, and it's funny reading the comments and all that. So if you guys watched it, it was a blast. I had a lot of fun. Thank you so much for all of the interaction. If you haven't watched it, go to his YouTube channel, click on his live show, and you can see it there. But appreciate all the support. It was a lot of fun. Can't wait till next time. So you all know I love to hike. This last Sunday was the full moon for this new month. So I tried to plan like a late evening, early night hike, and I timed it perfectly. So by the time I was finishing up my hike, the full moon was just rising over the wood line there. I'll show some pictures. So I came home and I did some research. I did not know that each full moon had its own name per the almanac calendar. So like, for example, this new month was called the full snow moon. In January, it was the full wolf moon. And like for March, it's the full worm moon. I mean, who comes up with this stuff? I'd really like to know. I need to do some more research regarding like who names these moons, but it's just kind of cool. I didn't know that. So, you know, a little information for you all because I didn't know it, and hope you enjoy it. All right, let's talk about some knives. This is the Hellbender Blade Co. Ranch hand, made by River's Edge Cutlery, just north of me here in Ohio, in Columbus. These are 100% USA made, tumbled, Magna Cut, multicolor G10. These release this Friday, the 6th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on the website. And each version is $180, free shipping. So here's one of four, multicolored G10. Here is OD Green Micarta. Again, same thing, tumbled, Magna Cut, $180, free shipping. We have brown burlap micarta. And last, black G10. Each of these ranch hands come with their own leather sheath. A very nice belt loop. Fits in just right. Just a reminder, check them out this Friday, the 6th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on the site. We have a new large logo slip to show you all. So only 30 made. I think my leather guy just had a few extra and he wanted to know if I wanted something made. So I had him put in gold stitching. Again, this is the large size. So something like my own design of the Appalachian Ridge Runner would fit in something like this, or larger GEC knives. But large logo leather knife slip, vegetable tanned leather. This is not Batiro, so that's why it's only 30 bucks. Gold stitching. He did a great job. Like I said, only 30. So if you like them, check them out on the site. All right, time for Coopers and then GECs. I'm going to go over these pretty quick. If you want more detail, go to the website. Brian did a great job with all the pictures, videos, more information on the website. So here is the New York Knife Co. Barlow with natural saw cut bone. You can see the bolster is stamped there, a beautiful spear point blade. Cooper has really improved over the last 2 or 3 years, and their fit and finish really is phenomenal. Great walk and talk. Here is their two-bladed Barlow, their New York Knife Co. two-blade Barlow, obviously in stag. You have a beautiful spear point with, if you want to call it like a coping or a very small sheep's foot blade. Technically, I guess it's a coping blade since it's a secondary blade. But all made by Cooper Cutlery here in the U.S. in Winchester, Ohio. Like I mentioned, really good walk and talk. Great fit and finish. They have improved significantly over the last few years. These released Friday, the 6th, so this Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Here we have the GC 54s. These are the jumbo stock pin jacks. 6 different versions. There's 3 in the Titty Cutlery line and 3 in their higher end Northfield line. This one is Osage Orangewood. Each version features a beautiful clip point blade, and then a smaller secondary pin blade. Next up, we have the Sage Jigged Bone. Again, 2 blades. A beautiful purple color to it. And last of the Titty lines, or Titty versions, this is Spring Pasture Acrylic. Now on to the Northfield. Here we have brown burlap micarta. And with all Northfield versions, usually we do have polished blades. Again, 2 blades. I'm just going to show the main clip point blade for these. But if you want more information, go to the website. You can preview them. Here we have Frontier Jigged Bone. Genuine North American cattle bone, as you can see there on the shield, NACB. This is called, once again, Frontier Jigged Bone. And last, probably everyone's favorite, smooth yellow rose bone. The yellow rose bone has always been very, very popular with GC. Beautiful polished blades. You have the yellow rose shield with the yellow rose etching right there. So these release with the Coopers this Friday, the 6th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. And like I said, they're all on the site right now, so you can check them out. I'm very excited about this new one from RoseCraft Blades. So this is called the Barren Fork Jack. As you can see, in beautiful blue denim micarta, featuring that diamond shield. Get that, I guess it's a clip point blade, long pull. And this is the first of the new 14C 28N blade steel versions. Again, new from RoseCraft, 14C 28N. But the fit and finish is awesome on this one. Look how smooth that is. The fit and finish is great. Really good blade centering, good walk and talk. These are released Monday, February the 9th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, $61.99. Make sure to use an affiliate 10% off code, get you 10% off. So that gets you $6 off. So again, Monday, February the 9th, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on the website. And they are on the website now, so you can preview. All right, that was a lot. Hopefully this is around a 10-minute video. Whenever I press go to record these shop talks, I try to not rush it, but I also try to rush it. I hope my videos come across clearly. I hope I'm not like pushing knives at you guys. I just love pocket knives, and I think most of you guys know that I love talking about pocket knives. I love showing off pocket knives, and it's just an awesome community. So thank you all so much for the support. Please like and comment on this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week. Email me, reach out if you need anything. Take care.